How to monetize TikTok account. In today's video, I'll show you how to monetize a TikTok account easily so you can start earning money from your videos. First things first, you need to meet the requirements to apply for the creator fund. Before you start monetizing your TikTok, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. To apply for TikTok's creator fund, you need to be at least 18 years old, have 10,000 followers, and have 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. You also need to be in a supported country as well. Now, if you're eligible, simply open TikTok and go to your profile and tap on the three horizontal lines to open settings and then select creators tools. After you found that, what you need to do is tap on it and follow the prompts to apply. After approval, you'll start earning money based on the performance of your videos. Another way to earn money on TikTok is through TikTok Live. When you go live, your followers can send you virtual gifts, which you can convert into real money. To access this, you need to have at least 1,000 followers. To start a live session, just tap the plus sign on your profile piece and select go live option if it has available in your account, and that's it. This is how you simply monetize your TikTok account.